My name is Grant Magnuson.
And how old are you?
I'm 35 years old.
And where do you live?
I live in Minneapolis, Minnesota.
What do you like to do outside of work, Grant?
I like to run, downhill ski, hang out with friends and family.
And what's your job title?
I'm a transportation engineer.
So when did you choose that career path?
I started getting interested in my junior year of high school. I was kind of doing some college searches and taking interest surveys, and construction, math, and science have always kind of interested me, so I found that civil engineering was the right path to go, and then transportation engineering was an even further path to take.
So what's the name of your company or employer?
I work for the Twin Cities construction firm in the engineering division.
Could you describe your primary duties and skills for me?
You must have a bachelor's degree in civil engineering, which takes 4 to 6 years to complete, depending on how many courses you take or how long it takes you to complete those courses. Engineers must be able to evaluate plans and proposals and make the needed changes to those plans. They must also analyze data and give recommendations. You must be fluent in calculus, physics, chemistry, solid fluid mechanics, and thermodynamics. They must also have studied control, optimization, and environmental issues.
And so could you describe your physical work environment then as well?
I work about half the time in the office and half the time in the field. I design and test all of my projects in the office and make sure that the construction is going to go smoothly at the construction sites. I would say my favorite part is seeing the entire project once it's finished. It's just kind of empowering to see that amazing design that you designed, and yeah.
And now I know it can be a little bit embarrassing, but can I ask you what your salary is?
My salary is $80,770, which is definitely not the mean.
So which accredited school did you go to?
My accredited school is the University of North Dakota, and I graduated with a BS in civil engineering.
Could you describe in detail 3 of the courses that you took that are closely related to your current career of as a civil engineer?
I would say transportation engineering, reinforced concrete, and foundation engineering.
Could you describe 2 courses that you considered the most challenging?
I would say Calculus 2 and Physics 2.
What resources did your school have available to help you get through the most difficult courses?
I would say the instructional development and the library also helped me get through my tough classes.
Regarding these 2 most challenging courses, how did you persevere?
I kept in mind that civil engineering is what I wanted to do and used that to get through all of my tougher classes and homework, and knew that in the end I was probably going to have a fun career that I love to do.
And so, from what schools did you receive graduate degrees?
I just went to the University of North Dakota, so one school.
What was the title or titles of the degrees?
Master of Engineering.
What licenses do you have, and what were the exams required to receive those licenses?
I have a PE license, and I had to take the PE exam to get that license.
And so how would your clients and coworkers describe you?
They would describe me as a dedicated civil engineer, but also very open to new ideas and methods to build new projects.
And so what do you hope to accomplish at the conclusion of your career?
My only hope is to improve the lives of many people by creating sustainable transportation for a lifetime.
And so why should a high school student consider a career in your field? What important contributions can they make?
I would say high school students should consider this career because they can improve our society's visibility. Everyone can see that when there is a great transportation system in place, there is low congestion and smooth travels on the roads and airports, which makes everyone's day better. They can be proud of their accomplishments in civil engineering careers, which they can watch their structures and help thousands of people.
All right. Thank you for your time.